Hello everyone, today we will introduce the point cloud data classification process in the LiGeoreference software. In the view, you see the point cloud data that has been georeferenced and colorized. Click the Settings button under the Georeference tab. Set the classification parameters. Under Current User, there are three options: Custom, State Grid Corporation of China, and China Southern Power Grid. Typically, select Custom. Next, configure the class setting. For applications in the power industry, you can select the power line classification option. The settings for ground points are usually left at their default parameters. Max building size refers to the maximum edge length of buildings present in the scanned point cloud. If the parameter value is set too low, some larger buildings might be classified as ground. When the point cloud data includes buildings, this parameter should be set greater than the measured maximum building size. Max terrain angle helps determine whether neighboring points of identified ground points belong to terrain or other objects. Generally, the default setting is sufficient. Iteration angle determines the allowable angular range between the points to be classified and known ground points. For terrains with significant undulations, a larger value may be set. Iteration distance refers to the distance threshold between the classification point and the corresponding triangle in the triangulation mesh. It can be increased when the terrain has significant elevation changes. Set the edge length parameter for reducing the iteration angle. A smaller value will make the ground points denser, whereas a larger value will make the points sparser. Set the edge length parameter for stopping triangulation. A smaller value will make the ground points denser, while a larger value will make them sparser. Check Only Key Point to further extract key model points on top of the ground point filtering, which reduces the data volume. This option is usually not selected. Once the parameters are set, click OK. In the workflow, check Classification, then click Start and wait for the classification to complete. After classification is complete, right-click on the layer with the classified point cloud data and choose Display by Classification to view the results of the classified point cloud data. This concludes our introduction to the point cloud data classification process in the LiGeoreference software. Thank you for watching.